It's Elena with Powertrain Products. We're out in our shop with a 48 RFE transmission. This is for 2005 to 2007 Dodge 5.9 diesel engine 2500 and 3500 applications. During the remanufacturing process, this particular transmission receives many unit-specific upgrades, so we kind of just wanted to jump right in and tell you about them right off the break. We'll start with the fully remanufactured torque converter and the modded valve body. These allow the transmission to charge in park while paired with the kickdown switch and internal pressure regulator. It increases the performance, helps out with the lubrication, and overall makes the transmission a more durable piece than it would have been. It also has a brand new pump which allows it to hold the correct internal pressures, and when we come down to the input-output shaft, it's also been modded to fit both late and early style yokes. We also have a completely remanufactured overdrive planetary assembly paired with a new clutch. Together, these eliminate the drum slippage issues and the no reverse condition that this transmission is also prone to. We dyno test the unit for operability after we make all the upgrades and before we ship it out of our center. We will send it to your residence or a shop of your choice. If you want to speak with us about pricing and availability, our number is 888-842-0023, or you can also follow us online to powertrainproducts.net. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.